How do you sell more tickets through Facebook? You've seen the benefits of Facebook for your personal life and business. Now it's time to learn how to use Facebook marketing for sports events. In this video, we'll go over a few simple ways you can use Facebook as an event marketer. You'll see examples of what other businesses are doing on their page, and here's some tips from industry experts. Selling tickets is one of the major dilemmas sports event marketers go through whenever there's a major change happening. Thankfully, there's social media ready to help them out. Hey guys, welcome to Creative. Here we use our passion for the game to change the game. Every week we talk about solutions that can truly change the business of sports. Today, we'll be discussing using social media for your sports marketing events. Revolutionize the game, and don't forget to tackle that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything in the future. Selling tickets and struggling to do so has been considered part of the sports events marketing culture. Almost everyone has gone through it, but unfortunately, only a handful have managed to survive it. Thankfully, there are now various approaches that event organizers can take to improve their ticket sales, like using social media marketing. Today, we'll be discussing how event organizers and athletes can use Facebook and its various marketing features to ramp up their ticket sales. Starting with exploring the relationship of Facebook and ticket sales. The magic of Facebook. Despite the prevalence of social media marketing and Facebook in the sporting industry, there's still quite a number of people who are either not actually using it or they're really just underutilizing it. Some spend their sports event marketing resources inefficiently. Instead of implementing cost-effective strategies, help them improve their ticket sales. Some organizers have stuck by traditional marketing tactics instead of exploring the new horizons of the internet. But those who dare to give social media marketing a try have seen vast improvements in their ticket sales. Shows that have a budget of $3,500 are generating 7 times more revenue thanks to Facebook. Depending on how you leverage both Facebook advertisement and normal social media marketing strategies, you can significantly increase your event's ticket sales. If not, you'll surely increase brand awareness, making it a win-win situation. So, if you've been planning to give Facebook marketing a try, now's the right time to do so. We'll help you turn your Facebook page into your new lead generating channel. So how do you turn your Facebook account into a lead machine? When you know how to leverage social media platforms like Facebook, they perform greatly. Just look at the other event organizers that have largely grown over the recent years, thanks to digital marketing. So today, we'll give you 10 tips on how to turn your Facebook page into a high-producing lead machine. So let's start off by understanding Facebook ads and its targeting. Over the recent years, Facebook ads have changed the way it targets other people. Instead of blindly throwing your net in wide waters, custom audiences will help you find interested users that have interacted with your events before. Regardless of the source, your website, customer list, or even engagement metrics on Facebook itself, you can use the data that you've gathered and create targeting options that focus your campaigns to people who have already shown interest in your previous events. This nifty feature on Facebook ads allows you to cost effectively use your ads funding by targeting much more qualified leads. Try giving Messenger ads a try. Over the recent years, Conversations online have moved from public domain to private messaging. Because of this, people are finding fewer reasons to go on Facebook and scroll through their timeline. To help users boost their ads, Facebook has offered placements on their Messenger platform. If you want to increase the chance of your potential leads seeing your ads, then maybe you should give some Messenger ads a try. I know it's hard, but utilizing Facebook Live to promote urgency. In the marketing sphere, there's a phenomenon called FOMO, or fear of missing out. It's a phenomenon that every organizer often uses to promote urgency within their target audience. If you've never tried promoting urgency in your ticket sales, you can use Facebook Live's feature to try it out. Let's say you've put some tickets on sale, and only those who have seen your live event can get the promo code for it. Using Facebook's Live feature is a great way to promote the fear of missing out. By encouraging urgency among your audiences, the higher chances of them actually buying a ticket. Try to engage with your audience with collaborative stories. Thanks to the emergence of apps like Snapchat, stories, snippets of videos uploaded for a certain amount of time have become a big thing for social media marketing. Over the recent years, digital marketers have used stories to engage with their audiences. And if you want more fans to engage with you during live events or promotions, you can always use collaborative stories on Facebook to do so. And thankfully, due to the emergence of stories, there are now various features that can make that collaborative and more engaging. There are features that allow audiences to send reactions, questions, and other commentaries. Think long-term. Use Facebook events to build communities. An old yet still effective feature on Facebook that event organizers can use is Facebook events. This feature of Facebook has been used to build communities over recent events. Some have used the environment to cultivate conversations focused on their event. By creating a Facebook event, you can create an environment wherein your target market can converse with one another about their shared interests and your sporting event. Additionally, the Facebook event can also help you in building urgency among your said target. Small but useful, optimizing your links. Recently, Facebook has updated its algorithm, giving more persistence to pages that load faster. This means if your Facebook's page links to a slow website, Facebook's algorithm won't boost it. If you want your ads to be boosted properly, you need to invest in optimizing your website. Additionally, besides helping your Facebook posts and ads get boosted, better optimization helps SEO campaigns. It's a win-win. If you're running an existing SEO campaign, having an optimized site is important. So when you invest in a faster website, you're hitting that two birds with one stone. Due to recent events, sports events marketing is in danger. With stadiums slowly opening back up for the time being, marketers need to find new strategies and tactics for ticket selling. They need to learn how they can leverage Facebook ads and other similar features to sell more tickets, especially now that most fans' experiences sold are taking place online. If you want to learn more about using social media for your sporting events, please check out our channel. We hope you guys loved today's video, and if you want to learn more about the great solutions that can truly change the game, don't forget to tackle that subscribe button and give us a like. This is Zach with Creatitive, where business is our sport.